Flexi Biogas plant installation process. To install a Flexi Biogas plant, a few steps must be followed. They are identification of plant site close to residence area and cattle home. Draw a circle taking biogas plant radius measurement as radius to the circle. After completing the circle, verify whether it matches with biogas plant size. Excavate the site and the circle to make a pit. Approximately up to 1.55 meters depth. Aerate the polyethylene biogas plant and fit this plant in the pit. Before you fit the plant, inspect the pit for any leftover nails, pebbles or any sharp objects. Then take a 84-inch pipe and cut into two halves, that is, each half measures 41 inch. Now fix a 6-inch funnel to one of the 41-inch pipe to prepare the inlet pipe. The other 41-inch pipe will serve as an outlet pipe. Fit a half-inch gas wall and then connect gas inlet pipe to gas wall. Finally, set inlet and outlet pipes to biogas plant as shown. This step finishes the installation process. Collect the cattle waste, mix it with water and send it into biogas plant through the inlet pipe of biogas plant. This waste will generate biogas. Connect the gas inlet pipe to booster pump. Then connect the gas outlet pipe to the gas stove. Make sure that booster pump is switched on before starting biogas plant. The generated biogas can be used for cooking.